Alright, hey guys, we're back. You know, we already got a dozen of donuts, you know what I'm saying? Half a dozen of donut holes, and let's start it. Alright, Romeo. Romeo. Alright, here, you want a donut? Here, pick a donut, bro. Which donut you want? Alright, which one?
I want this one.
Romeo.
I always get this shit. Ooh, they're a little warm.
Okay, you already know. I'm gonna go with this caramel spiral looking booty hole one. Alright? Ready, guys? So, you know, every time we go to Marie's Donuts.
Where's it at? Okay, Freeport. Okay, over here by McClatchy. Open at till like what? Till like the morning. The morning, so like the time. It's like open at 12. Open at 12 and like closes at 4. Okay.
So, already, guys. Let me get right here, Remy. Oh, you're eating? Okay, let's go.
I've been eating. Sorry, y'all.
Oh, this one's good.
It's crunchy as hell.
Sorry.
It's good. Okay.
This one's pretty bomb.
Open the milk.
The frosting is pretty good too. This is where I get fat.
Some out. You know, on midnight vibes. This is where you gotta go, okay, guys?
You got it? Oh, yeah. Yep. What's in it, bro?
Alright, I hope this works us up, because damn, man. The night we had, alright, it's crazy, but this is a move. So, Romeo, how was the day, bro?
Doing good.
Fun? Don't say nothing specific, but like,
It is gonna go on YouTube.
but like, yeah, today was fun. Hella fun. Kinda lost my voice, but it's cool. It's whatever. How was your day, Jose?
That's cool. Did bullshit shit. Did a lot of hood rat shit.
Hood rat. I know, bro.
Oh, I'm like, it's gonna fall.
You already know. Go crazy.
Yeah, that was good donut. So we won. So the turtle.
Donut hoes. And remember, guys, right when they open, it's fresh. There's no from yesterday. You know what I'm saying? How come when you put it in your mouth, it tastes like sausages? Tastes like sausage, I swear.
You say no? Right.
Tastes like sausage. It tastes like sausage,
What the fuck?
and it's like, bam, it's sweet after. Am I tripping, guys?
No, you're right.
Right?
You're right.
Bro, hold up. I'm sure it tastes like sausages. All right. Crispy, you know what I'm saying? Fluffy.
Yo, I'm confused.
Like,
Good, it tastes like sausages.
Alright. Peace, guys. You already know. Just the end of it. But like that donut MuKbAnG, alright? MuKbANG. Okay? Heard rat shit, remember. Hashtag hood rat shit. Peace.